Hi. My name's Sean McCormick. It's freezing cold in Austin, Texas today. I'm going to do a brief example of parallel effects processing in Pro Tools. And we are going to work with 2 vocal tracks and a music bed that I've already mixed down just to save time. And here's the vocal track. This is the lead vocal.
Myself over things I cannot fight.
Lovely, but a bit dry. So let's create a reverb processor using an auxiliary track and using a send from the vocal track to that auxiliary track using a bus. And let's go set up that bus and make sure it's okay. Setting it up, going to the in and output, and there is our reverb bus. So it's ready to go and it's going to the main outputs. So let's create that auxiliary input track, and it's going to be stereo, auxiliary input, create. All right, and let's get our bus set up. Let's set up that send on the vocal track. We're going to use as an output the bus, and we're going to go to that reverb bus we just looked at. And we are also going to choose that same bus as the input on our auxiliary track. And we're going to choose bus, and there it is. Let's rename that track to reverb so that there's no confusion later on. Reverb. And now we need a reverb. So let's put a plugin in there, and we're just going to use one of the generic default ones. Let's choose that one. And great. And let's make sure our mix on that reverb plugin is all the way at 100%. And it is. So, and now we can play with the send levels.
I am losing myself over things I cannot fight. How do I choose between the left and right?
I think that's a good starting point. Now we have this backing vocal.
I am losing myself.
Same deal, a little dry. Now, instead of having to go and recreate that whole send from scratch, we're going to go ahead and hold an Option key down, drag the existing send over to the double vocal track, and now
over things I cannot fight.
It is all ready to go.
And
I'm going to give it a little more gas.
Between the left and right.
And now we can audition the whole thing.
It takes confidence to move, but I don't have the confidence to lose.
And there you have it. By using one reverb for multiple tracks, you're saving a lot of the computer's processing powers that you could divert to other applications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.